Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel A Monk in Cloud. A Monk in Cloud is a community of cloud and DevOps enthusiasts, right? So as you have already seen the thumbnail, today I am here with an exciting opportunity for all the people who are learning AWS cloud specifically. Okay, so without wasting much time, let me get on to the page which I wanted to discuss about. So AWS training and certification have come up with a great opportunity or a challenge to take or to showcase your advanced skills and expertise in AWS, right? So they have come up with something called as AWS Professional Certification Challenge, where you can get a chance to unveil your cloud skills and show what you know by gaining access to AWS professional certification exam preparation, and also you would be receiving a 50% discount voucher for your AWS certification exam and get AWS certified, right? So all you have to do is click on this register and register for this particular challenge, right? So if I click on it and open it in a new tab, it looks something like this, where you can get on click on register. And if you ask me what are the professional certifications included, so you have two different professional certifications. That is solutions architect professional, where you can showcase your advanced skills and expertise in optimizing security, cost performance, and automating manual processes, right? So this is indeed for individual with 2 or more years of experience in cloud industry, right? So if you're having such knowledge on AWS cloud, go ahead and take this or register yourself for this particular challenge. Next, the other professional certification that they are offering for 50% discount is DevOps engineer. So basically you showcase your technical expertise in provisioning, operating, and managing distributed application systems on the AWS platform, right? This is also intended for individuals with 2 or more years of experience, right? So it is not necessarily 2 or more years. If you have that skills, right, so you can go ahead and take this certification. If you're a beginner who is watching this video, first get your basics right, clear associate level certifications, and then come for professional level certifications, right? So that is about it. Next, if you're asking me what is the date, when can I get this certification voucher and all those detail, so basically prepare your certification exam with this AWS professional challenge. You can register before 28th of April 2023, and after completing the courses or your assigned things, you will be receiving a 50% discount voucher towards your final professional level certification. So for that, you have to register here. If you click on register now, I think it is opening the same page, but let's try and register for solutions architect course here. Let me click on register. Yeah, here you can enter your business email address, right? So if you belong to an AWS partner, you can provide the yes or no, right? So you can select yes or no. You can provide the first name and the last name and the company that you are working for, and you can also select the country to which you belong or your company belongs. Next is a job role. Basically, if you're an IT professional or an advisor or a consultant, you can select that job role and the title with your phone number, postal code, and the industry. Which industry do you work on? Or you are working in the computers or electronics or education, whichever the business unit you are working for, you can select that. And if you are you can complete this form by filling whether it is for business interest or personal interest, and you can submit your registration, right? So it is as simple as that. So after you register, you would be getting an email saying the regarding the next steps, what and all you will have to do, and all the things that you will be getting. And basically, I think you need to complete some training also before getting the certification. Here, if you see new advanced training, including live and on-demand Twitch sessions with the AWS experts, right? So after getting that, maybe you would be receiving a 50% discount voucher, right? Now let's go on and read some of the frequently asked questions, because I would be knowing that most of you have doubts, right? So if you see here, why complete this challenge, that is if you're do not if you do not have why in your life, I don't think you would have watched this video, right? So let's skip this one. Who can participate in this challenge? Basically anyone or any professional who is having the relevant experience or relevant knowledge can take part in this challenge before 28th of April 5 p.m. PST. You need to sign up for this in order to get get your 50% discount voucher, right? So if you ask me how do I get my 50% voucher, so it is simple. All participants are eligible for 50% discount voucher towards the cost of professional exam, including solutions architect. In order to apply the discount, you must schedule your exam with Pearson View. The sole interest, basically, you need to schedule your exam with Pearson View. Okay, so when you register for your challenge, your voucher request will be submitted automatically. Basically, this is very important. After you register, you will receive email instruction on how to redeem your discount voucher with the registration confirmation email. I told you this, right? So you have until 28th of April 2023 to join and be eligible to receive your voucher, right? So your exam appointment can be for any date before May 31st. So the application, you can apply for this challenge before 28th April 2023, but you can take exam or register for your exam before May 31st 2023, right? So these are all the important, I think these are all we can get the information later, but this is what is important for us, right? So 50% discount would save a lot of cost for us, right? So go ahead and utilize this particular challenge, because professional certification costs a lot for us, right? So go ahead, take this advantage and get certified. Certification is one way to help you get through your interviews, right? So I agree that there is a lot of discussion we can do on that particular topic, but so yeah, that's it I had for today's video. It was a complete impromptu for me, so I came here, I saw this news, so thought of informing with the community, so I'm creating this video. So if you're liking the content that I'm creating, please consider subscribing and share it among your friends. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.